Alright. Today we're removing the panel off of 06 Tiburon. Starting bolts. These couple. And we're replacing handles and exterior handles. No? How much horsepower you think it makes? 50. Alrighty. Before removing paneling, make sure you remove the stereo, or speakers I mean, and then pick up on the panel. Next we're going to remove the driver's side. And it's going to consist of the same bolts.
This is bad.
Go slow.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have to take the shit out of it.
Next you want to slowly remove the paper, not frantically rip it off.
I'm gonna do it my way. Anyways, it was already ripped up.
You're going to do this to be able to get to the handle on the other side.
Just not like this.
Yeah, definitely.
Or, yeah, you do that and then...
To remove the exterior handle, what you want to do is remove 2 bolts leading through here and here, right here, and then next you're going to come to the interior handle. And what are we removing?
This, and then you pull these loose.
Alright. After that, you've successfully removed the exterior handle.
Loose. There, and there. And then this thing will slide forward, and then it comes out.
Alrighty.
Bitch, quit twisting on me.
So reinstalling, you're clipping it back. Now that we got it installed, 2 clips put back in to use the lever. Screw it, make sure you attach it, and you should be good for that part. So we removed the passenger exterior handle, and the quality is extra trash. Bolt is completely rusted. This handle wasn't even broken, but removing it caused it to break. So, piece of shit. Koreans. Just finished up the other side, looking mint or gay. Like the other side, pop in the white clips, pull back so it locks in, and put the screw in like he already forgot.
I'm walking myself through it.
Alright.
I need that.
A rebuilt exterior handle looks like. Just get a fine look at it. Make sure once you get to this part, see if this helps you any.
It's gonna go in there, like that. See that?
Yep.
And then this bitch. Probably shouldn't have hooked that up just yet, actually. Oh, that sucks.
It's now back on. Extra bitch to put it back on. Now reassembling everything from beforehand.
Dude, this is some bullshit, because if that spring's still in there, I'm gonna have a rattle.
We'll see. After rebuilding everything, it opens up great. Hopefully the other side goes as well.